Here at BRECOflex, we have your back. This backing is Celloflex. Celloflex is a microcellular elastomer polyurethane with a density of approximately 350 kilograms per cubic meter and a yellow-brown color. It has a coefficient of friction of 0.7. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. Celloflex is bonded to the timing belt using a butt joint. This backing can be ground to in-between thicknesses as contour sanding and milling is possible. Celloflex comes in a standard thickness of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeters. The recommended minimum pulley diameter for a thickness of 2 millimeters is 40 millimeters. The other recommended pulley diameters are listed here. It is recommended for the general transport of materials such as glass, wood, sheet metal, paper, textiles, and cardboard, and is good for use in wet areas. It is resistant to oils, fats, and ozones, and has a temperature range of minus 30 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, or minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for free engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.